It's so spicy. Ang angang talaga. Ang bungal pala siya. Bungal cook. Sa pula. Hi guys! It's me, RO, and tonight we're gonna have dinner. First, the rice cracker. Is this a rice cracker? Para lang siyang prawn cracker. And then, again, oyster. I'm getting so addicted to oysters. And lastly, but not the least, I made a spicy raw crab marinated.
No.
Korean lang, diba? Pero ang sarap niya, guys. Hindi mo mararamdaman yung lansa. Walang kalansa-lansa. Masarap pa isaw-saw. First is oyster. Mukbang! Asi, yeah! Nalagyan ko siya ng ganito, yung sa sausawan ng sushi. And then lemon. Para hindi masyadong managsa. Tsaka pag ganito kalaki, ginugupit ko. Let's eat! Ang sarap nito, guys. See? Isang subuan na to. Wow. It's a crab. So see, guys.
Nice.
It's a bit spicy. But it's okay. Very. Ang hang naman lahat. Sino nyo, guys? Hindi ako nakain ng anghang talaga. Ang anghang. Parang ano pala siya, kapag matagal na marinate, mas maanghang. See this? That's the flesh. Kamay lang tayo. It's yung rice, tas yung crab. Pero ang anghang. Ang anghang nga. Actually, para lang siyang nagiging gelatin. Yung ng crab, no? Yung flesh. Yung laman niya. Yummy! Search nyo sa internet. Tapos gawin nyo. Madali lang siya gawin. Bali, lang siya. So, yung crab, nininis ko lang siya. Blue crab. Tapos, so, yung pagmamarinate mo is asukal, red pepper, red chili, Korean something.
Chili pepper.
Korean red pepper. Tapos, pang kimchi. And then, ano nga yan?
Sesame oil.
Fish sauce, sesame oil, sesame seed. Kaya halo-halo mo lang yan. And then marinated it for 1 day. Para mas masarap. Ito, actually, parang 3 days niya na. So, pag mas matagal, anghang. Na-absorb yung chili. If you like spicy food, then you can add more chili. Is it the flakes? Chili flakes? No. Arte-artehan ko lang. Pero kamay tayo. Try it with nori, bro. It's good. Tingnan nyo. This is a sample of the flesh. Ang anghang, but you cannot stop eating. It's so good. Actually, tinay ko din yung soy sauce. Yung soy marinated crab. Pero mas bet ko tong manghang, no? Sabi, sobrang sarap ng crab. Kaliwalin ng oyster. Then oyster, guys. A bit of soy sauce. And lemon.
Yummy!
Actually, ang sarap niya pag maasim. No?
Nice.
Another one. Guys, look. Ay, naka. Kung kumakain ka, tapos sinisipan ka na. So that's all. Sinare ko lang yung dinner namin, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next live. Next live? Next post. Next life. Whatever. Cheers!